Shout out to Derek's Reptiles. Rest in peace, Brian Barczyk. We're all gonna miss you very much. A lot of how I know how to take care of all these animals. Started watching Brian, Snake Discovery, and guys like that, so can't say thank you enough to Brian. Long live Brian Barczyk. What's going on YouTube? Hanging out in the basement here. Got some snakes to feed, watching JR Go here. Watch JR Go on his channel. I follow a bunch of different channels. I like Columbus Police Body Cam. What else? I like Tyler Hoover's channel. I like Doug DeMiro's, all his car reviews. Again, this tank looking kind of grody. Just probably gonna get in there and clean that in a little bit since we are all snowed in today. That'll be at the beginning of the video. It's been like 0 degrees here and stuff, so let's see if we can get Zelda fed here. We got a bigger one for her, an albino. Got, I think, 3 other snakes to feed. We'll see. Pretty sure she's got it. Life of a feeder. And it's gonna be Emmett. No, that's Cinnamon. Give her one here. Looks like Zelda got that. Real quick. Wrapped up. Ratatouille. Done. Go ahead and move on to Sunday. Consumed. That's all good news. And then I wanted to throw on to Sadie here. Let's see. That hide is getting a little tight on her. I'm gonna have to replace it soon. That is a wrap. Alright, so I got this one left, but pretty much everyone ate so far, so I'm just gonna let it go. I'm gonna put it back into its cage with its mom. And I'll see you guys in the next one. It's gonna be it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like if you haven't already. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. I'm gonna get this fish tank cleaned. Thanks guys, I'll see you.